What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another very exciting episode right here on the MIgardener channel. It's cold. It snowed last night, and luckily our little herb garden here in front of the MIgardener headquarters was kind of protected from the little microclimate that comes from this big brick wall here. And I was out here packing some seeds, and by the way, just total side note, shameless plug, if you want to get some seeds, we're going to have the entire MIgardener seed shop stocked and ready to go November 21st. So make sure you join us for that super special event. It's called Launch Day, and we do it every single year when we launch the next year's garden seeds. So you're more than invited. It's free. It's going to be a live stream on YouTube and Facebook, as well as Instagram. We're going to have giveaways and tons of fun, but it's also going to be the time in which you can go shopping for all of your vegetable seeds. So we have vegetables and flowers. Everything is $2 a pack, and we do free shipping on seed orders of $12 or more. So it's super cool, great deal, super high quality, and that's what I was doing today, was packing up some seeds. And when I left, I was just locking up, and I looked over at our little trial herb garden that we have here, and it's just kind of a fun way to kind of demonstrate some of the, a lot of the things that we're growing, or that we were growing, because a lot of them are dead or have died now because it's getting so cold. But when we had this all growing, it kind of demonstrated what the seeds that we sell will look like once they're growing, because we used it as kind of a trial garden. And one of those seeds that we're growing is lemongrass right there. And I was shocked that it hadn't been killed off from the cold weather that we had, because some of the things like the basil, not looking super great. The marigolds look incredible though. The Cracker Jack mix marigolds that we sell are doing wow good. So they're doing awesome. We have thyme, we have sage, we have some rosemary over there, all doing great. But I wanted to show you guys a quick and simple way to harvest your lemongrass, because a lot of people want to know how to harvest your lemongrass. And so people say, use a knife, use scissors. And it's so overcomplicated if you use those methods, because there's one method that I was shown by actually a viewer in the Philippines. They grow them very frequently in the Philippines. And they sent me a video of them harvesting lemongrass. And I've always harvested with scissors, and I've always harvested with a knife, because it's a big, thick, grassy stalk. So you'd think it's really difficult to harvest. It's not. It's really simple. I have to give a shout out to our viewer, Pi. I think that's Pi or Paye. Thank you so much for this tip, because I learned something, and I love learning new things. And so I wanted to share that tip with you guys, because I had some growing, and I want to get it harvested so we can make some Thai lemongrass soup and Thai lemongrass tea and things like that. And I want to get it harvested before it gets killed off from the impending winter weather that we have. So check it out. I'm super excited about it. And I think you guys are gonna love this tip, especially if you're growing lemongrass. And also, if you haven't grown lemongrass yet, give it a try. Oh, it's so amazing. It's the most fragrant and delicious, beautiful herb that you can be growing. And it's not a perennial, so it grows really fast, and you get a ton from even a single plant. Check it out. So here is the lemongrass. Now we have one here and one here. Now it's super simple. A lot of people would say to come down here and just chop off the stalks, but it's actually a whole lot easier than that. What you typically will do is you're harvesting lemongrass. Now, if you're harvesting them all at once, sure, you can kind of come in and just chop them off. But what we'll do throughout the growing season is pick the largest, healthiest stalks to take in and let the plant continue growing. That way you can have a continued harvest all season long. And how do you do that? Well, you simply come in here, you come down to the base, and you simply twist and bend. Look at that. Oh my gosh, it's just so unbelievably simple. It's just it just detaches from the plant. It's unbelievable. I never knew lemongrass could be this simple to harvest. I was always really overcomplicating it. And it's just it's so easy to harvest. Look at this. You can hear it snap. And just pulls right away from the plant. All right, so I want to show you one more time before I get in the car and head home, because it is freezing. We're just going to take it. We're going to bend it down. You're going to hear it snap. Give it a little twist. It's too simple. It's too simple. It's how can anything be that simple? It's just oh my gosh, it just breaks almost I don't know, it doesn't break like a grass. It just kind of separates. All right, so with that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick little tip. Super simple, super quick to do. And yeah, honestly, no tools required. Just a little bend and a twist, and it just pops right off. But oh my gosh, you guys, the smell is absolutely incredible. So hopefully you'll try this. Let me know how it works for you. And again, thank you so much, Pi. You know, a lot of people ask me if I still learn things, because a lot of people look at me like I'm some guru or garden teacher. I'm learning every single day. And a lot of what I learn from people like Pi and like yourself that just have the courage to comment and say, Luke, I think you might be doing something wrong, or you might be overcomplicating it, and not necessarily wrong, just overcomplicating things, and try something a different way. So thank you so much, you guys, for watching. Hopefully you all enjoyed. And again, if you want to check out our website, go check out MIgardener.com. is the best place to get heirloom, organic, and non-GMO vegetable seeds. Super affordable, super high quality, and you're supporting a local small business. So take care, guys. Grow big or go home. Bye.